Hello and welcome everyone. This is where the magic begins, and I believe this is your login firm, which is running on the Binance Smart Chain and the PancakeSwap exchange, both of which I feel will see massive growth in the future of the globe. Binance Smart Chain PancakeSwap is the largest and most widely used AMM for real farming and staking. With over $650 million in daily trading volume, PancakeSwap is the OD project for farming and worth watching to see what developments are made in the coming months and years. Due to the fact the PancakeSwap is a very young decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC), Automated Market Maker provides customers with a variety of new ways to generate cash from their cryptocurrency. As a decentralized exchange under a regulatory authority, users can transact with privacy on PancakeSwap. Anyone, anywhere in the world can trade hundreds of assets available on PancakeSwap with over $600 billion of liquidity. Rushmart is a decentralized exchange with a deflationary governance token mechanism. That is the next generation of automated market making (AMM). They are your go-to yield firm with a variety of services that allow you to earn tokens on Binance Smart Chain (BSC) and PancakeSwap exchanges. The goal is to build a perpetual deflation token, the RMARCH, with a continuous burn mechanism similar to the current wave of second-generation yield firms, in order to produce an environment that can sustain long-term returns with constantly high APR for more earnings. Now, let's talk about some of their features, which take them apart from others. The first one is burning mechanism. They have implemented a perpetual burning mechanism that serves as a mechanism to ensure that Apache is kept constantly high. In particular, a 5% tax fee will be charged every transfer. 2.5% of the tax fee will send RMARCH BNB liquidity pool through the contract automatically. The rest, 2.5% of the tax fee, will burn immediately. And they are in the process of introducing unique Rushmarts NFT as a further means by which RMARCH will be burned so as to keep the value high. And the second one is security. Time block added to contract at launch, remove migrator code, emergency withdraw, diff taker, and audit. Now it's time to talk about their tokenomics. At first, I want to say that connect your wallet, input the amount of BNB you'd want to purchase, and then click buy. You can buy again during IRO with a maximum contribution of 3 BNB per wallet. After IRO ends, you can withdraw your RMARCH token via their IRO contract. Do not use exchange accounts or don't send BNB directly IRO contract. Now talk about some details of their token. The name of their token is Rushmart and the symbol of the token is RMARCH. They are based on Binance Smart Chain and BEP20 protocol, and maximum supply is unlimited linear bonding curve. So what you are waiting for? Let's start and grab this golden opportunity. Thank you.